Hello and welcome back to Dubious Engineering, and here we have a very brief review of the Nintendo Switch. It's a docking tablet that has the ability to unclip the joysticks from the side of it. So you can play it on the TV in 1080 mode, or you can play it on the tablet itself as a portable gaming system at 720p mode. Now, we're just finding out about this a little bit. I've only recently just purchased it. One of the things that was doing my head in was the fact that these tiny little gaming console joysticks just were not really man enough for the job. They're a little bit small and a little bit fiddly. So I had a quick look on Thingiverse, and boom, someone has already very kindly designed a handheld grippy thing which interfaces to the two buttons on the front of the thing. So yeah, I went ahead and 3D printed that bad boy. So it makes a world of difference to your gameplay. So now you've got two rather large sort of cow udder style hand grips, and yeah, that controller just goes ahead and slides right in there. And those two buttons are accessible on the back, which really actually makes a very big difference to the gameplay and your experience and your comfort and the length of time that you can play for. So I would strongly recommend, and looking this up, I'll obviously put descriptions in the links below. One of the games that we're really enjoying playing at the moment, it's about chefing. And what you got to do is you got to chop up loads of vegetables and stuff, make soups, make burgers and all that kind of good stuff. And it's really good fun. It's a really good cooperative style gameplay. So further down the road, let's say for instance you want to do some serious gaming on your own, you get a little JoyCon holder that gives you the ability to be able to set up so that you can play in single player mode. And this is the primary reason why I bought this particular machine, is because of Zelda. Zelda is magnificent. As a kid I had a Game Boy and I played Zelda on that. I mean, we must be talking 1990, 1995, maybe around there. And Zelda was just magnificent. They've remade Zelda, and they've made it absolutely unbelievable. The graphics are stunning, the gameplay is great, the adventure is glorious. Yeah, definitely well recommended. Now, one of the things I didn't like about the Nintendo Switch was this little plastic clippy thing on the back of it. It's a bit spindly and a bit thin, and yeah, okay, it covers up an SD card slot holder down there. So it's nice that you do have an SD card slot holder, but oh, it's just a bit. And the other thing that I did notice whilst I was looking was mod hack 001. Can you mod and hack the Nintendo Switch? Well, I'm sure we're going to find out at some point in the future. Anyway, I'm going to leave you a little bit of gameplay from me and the missus here, just chopping up vegetables and working together to make as much soup as we possibly can to try and complete this game. And what a cracking little game it is. It's so much fun. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget, rate, put your comments and your thoughts in the comments section below. Please subscribe, and make sure you come back to see more Dubious Engineering madness in action. Cheers, guys and girls. Bye. I filled up all. I need tomatoes, not onions. Oh well, okay. We'll just make the onion soup. Bollocks. Just said a bad word.
Hurry.
Okay, hurrying. We normally end up setting fire to this shit, don't we? Oh, go on, in there! Ah, shoot, go around there, get it for me, go, go. Ah, shit, gone the wrong way, sorry. Ah, we set fire to it. Die!
Hey!
Right, apparently that's useless. Right, what are we doing? Tomatoes then? Okay, tomatoes, chopped tomato, thank you.